Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic hypercars of all time, the Bugatti Veyron. This machine is not just a car, it's an engineering marvel that set new standards for performance, luxury and design when it was first introduced. Let's start with the exterior. The Bugatti Veyron boasts a design that is both elegant and aggressive. Its low-slung profile, wide stance, and flowing curves make it instantly recognizable. The front features large air intakes and a horseshoe-shaped grille that has become a Bugatti signature. The rear is just as dramatic, with quad exhausts and an active spoiler that adjusts at high speeds for stability. Every line, every detail of the Veyron's body has been crafted for maximum aerodynamic efficiency, yet it still manages to look like a piece of art on wheels. Moving inside, the Veyron doesn't hold back on luxury. The cabin is a blend of high-grade leather, aluminum, and carbon fiber, creating an environment that feels both opulent and high-tech. The seats are incredibly comfortable and supportive, designed to hold you in place at high speeds while still feeling like you're in a luxury grand tourer. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered, focusing the driver's attention on the road and performance. There's a clear sense of exclusivity here. Every Veyron feels bespoke. Now let's talk performance, the heart of what makes the Veyron legendary. Under the hood lies an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine that produces a staggering 1,001 horsepower in the original version and up to 1,200 horsepower in the Supersport variant. This allows the car to go from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.5 seconds and hit a top speed of over 250 mph. Even by today's standards, those numbers are jaw-dropping. The Veyron uses a sophisticated all-wheel drive system and a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission to ensure all that power is delivered smoothly and efficiently. As for the price, when it launched, the Veyron had a base price of around $1.7 million, and depending on the version and customization options, it could climb past $2.5 million. Today, it's a collector's dream, often selling at even higher prices on the secondary market. This is a car that represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and exclusivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing car reviews.